Welcome to part 2 of the flutter-flavors tutorial. In this part, we will separate our build configs in Android side. We will create dev and prod flavors for our Android application and use separate firebase configurations for separate firebase project in two different configurations. The code for the part 2 of this tutorial is available in part 2 start branch of the repository. The link will be shared in the description below. I have made couple of changes after part 1. I have added firestore dependency and configured it properly. To make this project work, when you clone this project, you need to add your own Google services.json from your Firebase project into app folder inside Android folder. To follow along with this tutorial, you need to create two Firebase projects. Here I have created flutter-flavors and flutter-flavors dev and configured both the project to work with firestore database in test version for testing purpose. Now we set up build flavors in our Android app. To do that, open build.gradle inside your app folder and there paste the following code: flavor dimensions default and product flavors, inside which we define two product flavors, dev and production. And in dev we also add application id suffix.dev, which adds to our application id at the end. Now to add different firebase configuration for different flavor, create two folders inside your Android app src folder that is named after your flavors, dev and another prod, right? So we add our development Google service.json inside our dev folder and production Google service.json inside your prod folder. I have added two different firebase config for dev and production inside my app folder, dev and production folders. Now to run different flavors of our app, we use --flavor argument in our flutter run command. So let's use flutter run -t our liv main dev and --flavor dev. This will build our app for development flavor. Now that the app is running, let's try adding to our firestore a test data tst dev. So as this is a development flavor, this should add to our Firebase project in our dev. So flutter flavors dev project, let me reload this page. So this should consist of our new test dev string. Let us now build for production flavor. In the same way, here we use the flavor as prod and the main file as prod. So let us build it. Once the app is running, let us try to add another string tst test prod to our Firebase. Once that is done, let's go to our Firebase console and let's see in the flutter flavors project, not in the dev. So this should consist of our new test prod string. So this is how we can create different flavors in Android side. By using the part 1 in Dart side and part 2 in Android side, we are able to use different configurations for our app as well as different Firebase project in our Flutter application. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked, please subscribe and share